Hello, firstly, thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining on my journey on YouTube. So, from bottom of my heart, thank you so much for being here. I'm back with another good idea for a traveler and for everyone. Well, if you are looking to turn your passion for teaching and sharing your skill into a profit while you are traveling the world, look not further than my YouTube channel. With our unique approach to harnessing the power of workshop as a source of income, we're here to help you not only enhance your own skill but share them with others in exciting new destination around the global. Join me as I take you to a trip through a variety of countries, sharing my experience in teaching others everything from cooking, craft, meditation, language, and lifestyle. Whether you are experienced instructor or simply looking to share your love of particular craft or hobby, our channel is the perfect place for you to find inspiration, tips, and technique to help you monetize your experience while living your dream travel. Traveling is a good opportunity for you to explore and find many connections who are very interested to learn something new. Well, share your idea in comment. What would you like to teach people during traveling? I give you an example. Think you are traveling and staying at a hostel. If you have something to present and some idea for workshop, you can go talk with manager and say you want to hold a workshop at his or her place, and this is a win-win situation for both of you. Even if you don't have any place in your mind like a hostel or this kind of place, you can just invite a small group of customer, gather together in a park or beach or public place to hold your workshop. For example, beach is best place for doing yoga. Doing a workshop like a yoga teaching yoga workshop in Kenya on the beach was very interesting. We joined and we had a one class like a more than hours. We did yoga with a small group and with international people. If it's the first time you are holding a workshop, I suggest you to do it on donation base. So like this, you can gain experience and increase your self confidence and attract people. If you put a donation base, people are more interested to come. I share some idea with you about what kind of workshop we can hold during travel, and don't forget you also share your idea with us in comments. You can hold meditation or yoga workshop during travel, or craft. Making craft is very trend these days, or painting. If you have this kind of a skill, you can learn people painting on the wall or even on the paper. And about travel, you can share your experience about travel with people, even your lifestyle. Many people they are doing workshop during them travel, which is about healing and therapy. They are therapists or they do many treat for healing, like sounds healing, like Ayurvedic, like many kind of massage you can do. You can teach people how to do massage if you are good in, or language. I saw one man, he was very active in teaching language, and he was very passionate, you know. Everywhere he was going, he had some paper and one pen, and go just talk directly with people. And this man had really good way to interact people and customer for teaching them English. He was telling them, okay, please come have a seat here next to me. Doesn't matter. He was sometimes on the stairs of a mall, just gathering people, even sometimes private, like 1%, 2%. He was offering them to teach free for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and if they are interested, they can continue with him or donation him how much they want, you know. This is very good way, and he was very enjoying to teach people language. And yeah, because he was very good in teaching and interacting with people, he get a lot of customer, and he almost cover all his expenses by teaching. Yeah, so language is another option, don't forget it. And one exciting thing is cooking. uh, Many of us, we are good in cooking. In travel, again, in hostels, in restaurants, in many places, you have opportunity, you know, to gather some people and make a cooking workshop for them. Or even, for example, in a restaurant, you going in a country, and in a restaurant, you can add very tasty and good food in the menu, and you can exchange, you can get something. Many people, they are traveling many countries, they like really to have a cooking class, to learn new dishes from different country. Yeah, as I mentioned before, also you can have a workshop about lifestyle. What lifestyle you are following, if it's healthy or interesting for people, you can teach it to people. And you know, there are many opportunity, many idea. You just need to a bit think and choose one of those which is match with you and your skill, and continue. For example, I was in Uganda, and I went somewhere near a lake, big lake, and there the children, they need really to learn swimming. And when I went there, even I didn't ask anybody, but many people ask me, can you swim, can you teach our children swimming? I mean, just you should be in a right location, and everything will come to you, you know. Well, I'm not that much good in swimming. Otherwise, I could have a swimming workshop for children of that area. You know, teaching to children is very interesting. uh, Always, almost you can teach everything to children, playing with them, teaching English, everything can be like a game, and interesting, because they are very active, they have a positive energy. Is good work with children. Myself, I had a workshop about painting, about how to travel, about craft, about meditation, and many things else. Teaching meditation online, you know, doesn't matter. Now with technology, you don't need even, you know, find your customer just nearby you. You can share your skill online. There is no limitation. Additionally, I take you on a behind the scenes tour of my art therapy workshop for children in Vietnam. Children learn the beauty of art and painting on the rock, all while receiving therapy. beautiful art of this beautiful boy. Tell your name.
My name is Gia.
Mm.
A hamburger with chips,
Mm-hmm.
and mushrooms,
Yes.
a rainbow.
Yeah.
It's look like an omelette or something like that.
Okay, seems you are
A family
hungry.
of jellyfishes
A lot of jellyfish.
and rooster.
Wow, rooster, very colorful. Very good. Thank you. While you are waiting, subscribe my channel, exploring the world while sharing your skill with others. If this video is useful for you, please like and share. Thank you so much.